Hi friends, welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make masala tea. For making masala tea, I have taken 250 ml milk. Water is 1/3 of milk, that is 84 ml water. Two teaspoon tea leaves, half-inch ginger, 2 pieces green cardamom, 2 teaspoon sugar or as per one's requirement. Now let's see the process of making perfect masala tea. First mix milk and water in a pan, then boil it for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now give the crushed ginger and cardamom, then stir it for 1 minute. Now add tea leaves to the boiling milk. Now let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes until and unless a brown layer appears. Now we can see the brown layer, which means that the tea is almost ready. Now give sugar and stir it for 1 minute. Now the masala tea is ready. Now strain the tea through a strainer and serve hot masala tea with some Indian snacks, cookies or biscuits. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get updates of my new videos. Bye for now, take care and have a nice day.